Hello and welcome, welcome, welcome. So I am ready to start getting ready to film my try on haul. So we're gonna be doing a half up, half down style from insert name here. I love an easy breezy style, so I figured I'd give them a try. So let's go ahead and open this package together. And inside here, you see we have the Chloe. It comes in this really cute little plastic and silk kind of little baggie. And we've got to cut it open. Let's go ahead and get this out. Yeah, so this is the actual ponytail of the half up, half down. And as you can see, it's like a Velcro wrap. So I guess you just put this comb in, and then you can wrap this around your ponytail, use the Velcro and secure it. And then you use this little hanging piece to kind of wrap it around and secure, make sure that you can't actually see the Velcro or anything. And then you could probably use a pin and just pin that in. It looks good. You're definitely gonna wanna brush this out because the curls are just, or the waves rather, are just so perfect that it looks fake. But I think once you brush it out or you comb it out with a wide tooth comb, you're gonna be just fine. All right, so here is the other half of the insert hair Chloe set. And it comes with 1, 2, 3 clip-in rows. The shortest one is gonna go on the bottom, the mid-length one is gonna go in the middle, and the longest one is gonna go on the top. You can see that the hair looks just like the ponytail. It feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel like synthetic hair. It feels really, really good. It smells okay. Doesn't smell like anything in particular. The color is like it's like a black brown. It's a very, very dark black brown, and I think it's gonna blend perfectly with my hair. So let's go ahead and get the actual style going so that we can start the day. So you're gonna make sure to comb through your hair to make sure that you get any tangles or any snags so that you could put it neatly into your half up, half down style. So you can see here, I'm just parting my hair right down the center, getting that part as straight as I can, combing out all of the snags and the tangles, and I'm gonna try my best to put that top part into a nice, neat ponytail. Or at least get it out of the way for now. All right, and then with the bottom half of my hair, what I did was I just put it into 2 messy pigtails. It doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just put the back of your hair into neat plaits so that it can be neatly out of the way. If your hair texture matches that of the actual clip-ins, this is a step that you don't have to do. But because my hair isn't exactly the same color and isn't the same texture, I thought it would be best to just get my hair out of the way and then clip the clip-ins on top of the braids. So you're gonna see how I did that. I secured the ends of my braids with black rubber bands, like the little tiny black rubber bands. And then I used a hairpin just to pin the 2 pigtails up. Just a regular hairpin. It doesn't matter because you're going to be clipping the clip-in extensions on top of it anyway. I went in there with a soft bristle brush, a hard bristle brush, to try to get my hair as neat as possible. The package did come with a hair tie and a couple of hairpins, which is really, really convenient that they included that in the package. Alright, there's my Edge Control Shine and Jam. It smells so delicious. And I just used a little bit of that around the perimeter of my hairline and an old toothbrush to just slick back my edges as best as I could. Now my hair is pretty coarse, so I feel like Edge Control doesn't really work for me, but I did my best, and the Edge Control, it's pretty okay. It held up pretty well, I must say. Just try to sleek your edges back as much as possible if you're looking to get a real sleek style. And I ended up actually taking out the top portion of my hair and re-securing it quite a couple times because I just wanted to get it as perfect as I possibly could and as sleek as I possibly could. Alright, once my top ponytail was secured, I went ahead and took the 3 clip-in rows and started clipping them in the bottom right over the braids, starting with the shortest one at the bottom, the middle one in the middle, and the longest one on the top. Clip, clip, super, super easy. And also the braids kind of acted as an anchor or a support for the clips. I think the clip-ins would be a lot less secure had I not braided my own natural hair down, because it just gave the clips something to kind of hang on to. And here I'm just kind of moving my ponytail out of the way so that I could secure that top weft. Clip, clip, boom. Looking good so far. Really trying to get those edges laid, honey. Alright, and then I took my ponytail. Now you could kind of tie your ponytail into a bun, or you can just put the ponytail right over top of your hair. That's fine as well. I think in the future I would prefer to put it in a bun, just so that if my own natural hair sticks out, just like on the bottom, because it doesn't exactly match the hair, it's not gonna look as neat. But I think because I wasn't doing the most, you know, it was fine because my hair wasn't sticking out or anything like that. I hope that makes sense. And boom, you take that little piece attached to the Velcro and you wrap that around to hide the Velcro. And boom, looking gorgeous. I was really, really happy with how it all came together. I wish that my relaxer was a little bit more sleek and my edges were a little bit more laid, but I think it came out pretty nice. What do you think? Tell me down in the comments. Alright, and here I am after I finished my makeup. to the whole look. You can see how it kind of came together with my makeup done. I think it looked really, really pretty. The only thing, as I said, I wish that my own natural hair was just a little bit more sleek. All right, here I am at the end of the night after wearing the ponytail all day long, and I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to take it down as well. So you just go ahead and unwrap that little extra piece and undo the Velcro. And I also kind of wanted you to be able to see how this hair stood up throughout the day, like whether or not it got tangled. As you can see, it is a bit tangled, but it's not terrible considering that I didn't run my fingers through it all day. I didn't comb it, I didn't brush it, I didn't do anything with it all day. And that's how it ended up being. A bit tangled, but not terrible. It was very, very easy to take down, and it was very easy to brush out those tangles as well, which you'll see in just a second. And voila! Super easy to put in, super easy to take down. It's like taking off your bra at the end of the day. Nice. And there you can see I'm just gonna run a brush through the tangled up hair so you can see kind of how it takes to brushing. There was no shedding at all, and you can kind of see the style kind of changed after running a brush through it. Yeah, so that brings this video to an end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. This is me after filming my try-on haul, which is what I used the hairstyle for. So if you want to see the try-on haul so that you can kind of see all the angles of the hair, make sure to check that out. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Help me grow my new YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe if you like all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and whatever I feel like at the moment. If you liked this video, subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one.